Have you guys ever heard anything about drive-in restaurant? No? Come, let me show you.
WhatsApp number, please. I will send flight ticket menu by WhatsApp.
Alright, so the menu will be sent to me directly on my phone?
Yes, sir.
Alright, so it will be... Right, so I've got a message from Fly Cuisine, as you can see. So this is the menu. The number is Fly Cuisine. So it starts with an introduction and you get the entire menu displayed over here, segregated into soups and appetizers, salads, starters, main courses. The different cuisines which they have, there's Indian, there's Chinese and continental. There are desserts and beverages too. So what we're going to do is we're going to order food from here, and he has the KOT right there, so he's going to note down our order and it's going to be given to us. So it's seamless, you don't have to touch any menu card using your hands, and it's pretty cool. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to order the starters. So I'll go with the appetizers, which I love. I have tried this place out more than 30 times, so I know what to order. Just one regret is here that the broccoli corn dumpling is not here. Right. So my order is one tandoori broccoli. Yes. So we'll have a cheese cigar. Let's go for a banjara aloo.
One banjara.
Yes, that will be Like you can see, there is a Fly Cuisine tag over here, sticker. Once you take it off. Right, so this is one of my favorite items from the Fly Cuisine. It is a cheese cigar roll. I'll try to break one open. You can see the cheese oozing out. You have to taste this to believe how this is. It's amazing. So next up we have the malai broccoli, the tandoori malai broccoli. This is what it looks like. What I'll do is I'll just lift one piece up. You can see the oodles of malai on top, and this is the broccoli. Just keep one for tasting and I'll pass the rest. There you go. That is my first bite. I'm not a big fan of broccoli, but this is one of their popular items. Definitely, if you're a fan of broccoli, you can give this as well as the broccoli corn dumpling a try at Fly Cuisine. Right, so the final starter for the day today is banjara aloo. This is again one of my favorite items from Fly Cuisine. So I've only ordered items which I have ordered a lot of times in the past, which I know are really good. I'll take one piece and I'll give this on. So I'll try to break this for you on camera. It's a little hard. It's hot. When I'm trying to pierce it through, it's a little hard. So that's one thing which is there. Not the best that I've had from here. I wanted the aloo to be softer than what it is, so it's a little disappointing today. So this is a classic white sauce penne pasta with a lot of exotic vegetables. I can see olives, I can see bell peppers, I can see broccoli too. So that's pretty good. So I'll take a portion on my plate. And I will try to dig in. It's very hot, so I have to be very careful. This is the creamiest and the cheesiest white sauce pasta which you can find in Salt Lake area. A definite must try. Alright, so we are done with our starters as well as a continental main course we've ordered for pasta, which we had to if you're at Fly Cuisine. Next up, what we're going to do is we're going to order some main courses from the Indian section. Namely, I would want to try out some naans, some rice items, some paneer item, as well as a mixed sabzi. So that's what I'm going to go for. So before that, I need to press the horn first. Hi, can you take the order?
Yes.
So we will have a garlic naan.
How many, sir?
One. For pulao, I think I'm going to go for Kashmiri pulao. That's a very good item from this place. So let's go for a Kashmiri pulao. That's available?
Yes.
Great, fantastic. Kashmiri pulao.
One Kashmiri pulao.
We'll have a mixed sabzi, like a kadhai sab. Let's go for a kadhai sab.
One kadhai sab, right?
Yes. And finally, paneer butter masala. I don't think any meal is complete without the paneer butter masala from the Indian side.
One paneer butter
Yes.
masala. Right, so we have our main courses over here. Starting off with this, seems the pulao. Yes, this is the Kashmiri pulao. As you can see, it has a lot of dry fruits on top. There are pineapples over here. There is cashew. There is raisin. It's very rich. I'll place it back on. Next up, we have, this looks like paneer butter masala. Yes, it is. So you can see the creamy texture. It's very hot. It's a lot of paneer over here. I do not want to taste and give you the review for this because it's gonna get really messy. So I will stick to just showing you what these look like. So we have the foiled. I think this is gonna be, of course, the bread, the garlic naan. It's very well packaged. This is what this looks like. It's pretty big with a lot of butter. This is what it looks like. And finally, we have the kadhai subs. I have to be careful with this because if it spills, my entire day is going to be ruined. We'll get hold of this way. Now open it. This is what it looks like. So this is the main course segment. I'm going to quickly polish off the entire thing with my friends, and I will be back with the desserts as well. So stay tuned for that. So finally we are done with our meal, with our lunch. what better way to end a lunch than to order some desserts. What we have today is something which has been recommended to me by Rishi and Mohit both. So they have tried this out last time when they were here for the drive-in, so I am going by their suggestion. So this is a bowl of Tutti Frutti. If you can bring the camera closer, you will see there are 3 scoops of ice cream from what I can see. I think this is going to be mango, there's strawberry and there's vanilla. I might be wrong about that. There's a lot of different types of dry fruits and wafers and some chocolate syrup as well. So this is what this thing looks like. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a scoop of this. This looks extremely sweet, so I'm not going to be having too much of this. I'll pass it on, but I will take one bite for the camera. Two bites. You cannot end a meal without a dessert, and what better than the good old Tutti Frutti from Fly Easy.
Hey guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe. Until next time, this is Food Spur wrapping up. Cheers.